I'm Sawyer, and this is Sarah's Creations. Today we're going to build the parrot, frog, and fish. Let's get started. Okay. Here's the parrot. Here's the frog. Here's the fish, and it's blue like Dory. And thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe.